Let's get it going with Michelle Schneider, Chief Market Strategist at Market Gauge. Mish, the last time I checked, it looked like the odds are 96%. The Fed will raise rates this week by a quarter point. Where do you stand?
I'm in that camp, Angela. I think that they're going to go 0.25%, especially since Powell so far tells you exactly what he's going to do. So all the mystery and all the commentary around it always surprises me, considering he's so transparent.
What about the reshuffle of the NASDAQ 100?
Well, so far the jury's still out because there's going to be not only the rebalancing, obviously a lot of these stocks are reporting, but essentially what we saw was some of the cap being taken away of the Magnificent Seven, but I don't see where it had any great lasting impact. So at this point, to me, on the hierarchy of news events this week, that's kind of low for me.
Mish, Microsoft and Alphabet both report earnings today. What is high on your list of what to watch in the market?
I think, believe it or not, besides the earnings, I think the PCE at the end of the week will be interesting. At this point, obviously, the Fed will have already raised, but I think it will really help us see what they're going to do going forward. The market is anticipating at least a pause, not necessarily a pivot. That may not happen for a while. So that's kind of something that nobody really is talking about much yet. But if it's higher, and considering energy prices have gone up and grain prices have gone up, we still have geopolitical headwinds, and not to mention Mother Nature still wreaking her havoc. I think if that actually turns out to be a hotter number, then the market could be in some trouble for the following week.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, I'm still very much focused on things that make things. You cannot expand the economy if that's what's actually happening, or see inflation rise, as we definitely are seeing happening, without looking at the basic materials, right? So a few weeks ago, we talked about Chemours, which was CC. That's done very, very well. This week, my focus, believe it or not, is on international paper. Not the most exciting stock in the world, but really basing out. And it's a company that makes things that are needed, right? So right at this point, it's trading at around $39.50. If it can get through there, it has a great base. That could actually be a nice sleeper trade for the next couple of months.
Always on it. Thank you, Mish.
Thank you so much, Ange.